Welcome to MTS Technik Workshop. My name is Kacper, I am an engineer here, and today I've got something special for BMW E36 enthusiasts out there. This is our coilover suspension kit designed for your ride in most variants, except compact and iX variants. This kit is available in three versions: street, stance and comfort. Depending on your build, your expectations and your needs, they differ in spring type and stiffness. We equipped this kit with two threaded shock absorbers on the front, finished in a gold zinc coating for durability, corrosion resistance and style. They both feature hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a small clamping screw, enhances the ease of height adjustment. Our spring provider is a renowned German company, Eibach. Street and stance variants utilize an ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. The two stiffer variants also include helper springs that provide mainsprings with preload. The comfort variant of this kit utilizes coilover springs with progressive characteristics, both on front and rear axle, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics, perfect for a comfy daily driver. You probably noticed these distinctly yellow sport shock absorbers that are utilized on the rear axle. They have increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers and have shortened stroke. They are tailored for lowered suspensions. In all three variants, we also include dedicated bump stops and dust covers, and if they are necessary, you'll also get black anodized aluminum spring caps. You will always get black anodized aluminum height adjusters for your rear suspension. If you decide to buy a street variant for your street car or stance variant for your slumped project, you can always buy these kits with dedicated camber plates or with camber plates and rear top mounts. Camber plates allow for smooth adjustments of camber angle and modification of caster angle. Ours are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and utilize a uni-ball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. Thanks to the polyurethane bushings, our rear top mounts enhance the rigidity of rear suspension, and black anodized aluminum housing ensures durability and high quality finish. Both camber plates and rear top mounts can be ordered separately. We also provide you with an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers and any necessary documentation such as an installation manual or a TUV certificate for kits without camber plates. Thanks for watching.